Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. So last night I fell asleep editing, so the video wasn't up last night, but I just finished editing and made the thumbnail and now it's downloading, and hopefully I can post it before I leave so that it's up for you guys. When I woke up and I was like, oh no, I woke up at like 3 o'clock, so I rushed downstairs. I did my skincare routine because I really want my face to get clear and I didn't want to sleep without doing my skincare routine. So I did it at 3 o'clock in the morning and my skin doesn't look that bad, so it worked. And yeah, now I'm going to take a shower, do my morning skincare routine, and get ready to go and post that YouTube video. Eating my oatmeal. I have oatmeal with banana, cranberries, and some brown sugar. Alright, so this is my outfit. Ballet West shirt, Forever 21 shorts, and I'm gonna wear my Adidas because we have hip hop today. Now I'm gonna go catch the bus. Hey guys, so we just had an hour of technique with Mr. Garland, and now we're going to go to rehearsal for our last workout of the technique class. I think we're gonna do after, and we might run parts a couple times before August 4th. Also, the trains are super bad today. The old trains that went on went to 145th Street, one took me to 155th Street, but like all the way down. And so I had to take an Uber 12 minutes to get to the DTH that I got here at 10:25 in class. So it's like 10:30. So that was a struggle this morning, but I got here and before we started, and I was able to stretch a little bit. So yeah, we have rehearsal now, and then after that we have partner.
Darling, you send me, I know you.
Hey guys, so we had
like
partnering. Chloe's in a onesie and it's like 100 degrees outside.
I forgot my clothing.
So she's wearing a onesie. So right now we finished partnering. Partnering was really fun. I did a quadruple with my partner. And my right ploches got a lot better, but my left is still hideous. Like, it's a struggle for the left, but I'm working on it. My right ones are actually getting a lot better, so yeah. So now it is lunchtime. I'm going to go get my regular fruit. Chloe, what are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get some nice fruit and a salad because I need to
Wait,
be
they
on
have
that health
salad?
life.
I might get a coffee. This coffee looked really good. Hey guys, so lunch. I'm having fruit, banana, and coffee. We just had hip hop.
Yeah.
Yeah. She finished the dance. It's a lot, but it's really fun actually. But I'm really tired. And now we have variations that were Austin, and we're doing Who Cares. So I'm ready to sweat some more. Hey guys, so just the variations. We did the 5 girls from Who Cares and we finished it. We were literally dancing the whole time. She worked with my group throughout it and taught us the rest, and we were dancing the whole time, and my feet are dead. They're just like lops. But now we have contemporary. Contemporary is also on point for an hour and 30 minutes. I'm dying. Hey guys, I'm home. My key wouldn't open the door, so I was standing outside in the dark for a long time. But I made it inside, and guess what's on the table for me? My school books for junior year. This is, okay, there are a lot of books in here. Like, that's a lot. Yeah, junior year. I'm really nervous, but I need to start my summer homework, so I'm glad these came. I'm gonna look at them later, but right now I'm going to find something to eat. So I made myself a potato. I'm also eating plantain chips, and if I'm still hungry, I'll have a banana and a plum. Hey guys, so since I just got all my school box in the mail today, I'm going to do an unboxing of the books I got for school for junior year. The box is already open because my mom opened it before I got home, but this is the box. It is full and really heavy, and there's so much stuff in it. So this is the box. It is full to the brim, so just gonna start with the stuff on top. So the first thing I have is a pocket style manual. This is it right here. In like a cute like spiral notebook form. It's the how-to guide to college writing and research. I'm going to be a junior. I have to start like college stuff. So because we're gonna have like college classes starting in junior year. So I guess it's gonna be one of the books that we're gonna be using for writing and research and improving in my college writing. All right, next thing I have is my Antonia. I think this is also for English. It is a romantic novel. This is the next book. I believe this is for English as well. The next book in that like stack, because I'm gonna go by stacks because there's 4 stacks, is The Founding Brothers, The Revolutionary Generation. I think this is gonna be for history. This is the next book. I think this is also for English, Walden or Life in the Woods. Then the next thing I have is My Folks Don't Want Me to Talk About Slavery. This is also for English, so in English class for a junior year in the 3rd trimester for English, like an elective, I guess, or like a topic we want to focus on, and mine is Black and White, The Southern Voices. So I'll be reading and talking about books having to do with that theme during the 3rd trimester. So I'm really excited, and this is one of the books for that. Oh, there's a textbook underneath this. Okay, then I'll go here. So this is How You Lose Her. This looks very interesting. It's about the power of love. I believe this is also for English. And then I have A Streetcar Named Desire. So this is a 20th century American play. Next I have Self-Reliance and Other Essays. Also for English. And then 6 American Poets. I love poetry and I love writing poetry, so I'm excited to read some poetry. Alright, the next thing is this huge book. This is my textbook for AP Bio. It is huge, it is thick, and heavy. I'm so excited for AP Bio because I love science and I'm really, really excited. The Scarlet Letter. Oh, this is the next book. I wanted to read The Scarlet Letter for such a long time. Next, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. I've also really wanted to read this book. Next one I have is The Ghost Map, the story of London's most terrifying epidemic and how it changed science, cities, and the modern world. I believe this is for my AP Bio class. Very dramatic title. Next, I have Intruder in the Dust. Next book. Then I have the Aeneid right here. This is for my AP Latin class that I'm taking, and I believe this is for my summer homework. Next I have Caesar, The Conquest of Gaul. I think this also might be for my Latin class. Next I have A Good Man is Hard to Find and Other Stories. This is a collection of short stories. This is for English. Next I have The Color Purple. I really wanted to read this, but I knew that we were reading it in school, so I waited. I'll probably read this over the summer before we read it in school though, because I really wanted to read this for a while. Oh, Beloved! I also really wanted to read this. The next book. This is for English. And then The Great Gatsby. Yes. Also really want to read this book. And I haven't watched the movie because I really want to read the book first, because usually I find that the book is better than the movie. And this is the last book I have, and I believe this is also for English. So those were all the books and textbooks I got for junior year. It's a lot, and they're mostly English books. But for all of the other subjects I'm taking, we're getting, oh, wait, also my pre-calculus book. This is my pre-calculus book. My mom accidentally ordered it last time, but this is what it looks like. It's also very thick and heavy. But yeah, so it is late. My video should be almost uploaded, but I'm going to force myself to go to bed because I really need sleep. And I need to leave earlier because I don't know if the trains are going to act up again, because that was just too much for me to handle today.
Hi little camera, come to see me every day. Some people say to boogie boogie, and you know how fun it is. Boom, bop, dee da do. Everyone knows that a favorite's you. No one knows how fun it is to take care of people you love. ABSIDSI, Twinkie, SIESI, Mama, Nina, boy.
That's okay. I'm not that hungry anyway.
I want some plantain cookies.
Hey guys, so we just had technique with Deborah Austin and rehearsal with Mr. Garland. This is the schedule. Alright guys, so our technique class with Deborah Austin. I had no energy this morning. Like at bar, my feet weren't even pointing. It just wasn't happening. Center was a little bit better. The jumps got me going, so.
Those jumps were it.
Yeah. Ballet. Then our rehearsal, I was sitting most of the time because I wasn't in the parts it was choreographing.
Sitting there, and it's about to get a lot harder with you guys in the corner.
And you guys didn't even do
We
it.
didn't even do it yet. Our next step is soda boss. And then we ran Prince twice, and we went from the beginning a few times for Mozart. So now we have lunch. I'm gonna go out to get some food.
Okay.
You get them?
Yes.
It's like, I'm scared.
So good. Janelle, Jasmine, Chloe, Jadonna, everyone's here. Okay.
So, best type of Arizona outfit.
Did they take away the plantain chips?
Oh yeah, you were supposed to get that today, right?
My whole heart. I got some fruit and plantain chips. Hey guys, so lunch is over. We're in the classroom. This is where we have supplements.
Honestly, did not do this this summer.
Yeah.
The first one never did.
It's the board.
Half of Gabi's vlogs have me screaming my head off.
We watch a bunch of DTH class of Ballet that they have filmed from back in the day on that screen. And we watch Real Giselle every year. It's DTH's version of Giselle, and it is amazing. And Miss Johnson was Giselle in DTH's version of Real Giselle, and it was amazing. So I really hope we watch it again. Guys. I don't look that sweaty right now because I washed my face in cold water because I couldn't stay with that sweat on my body. But we just had variations like Deborah Austin. And we ran, what's that called? The Dance with 5 Girls, Who Cares? We did that for a while. Then we moved on to the variation that I did last year. It's also from Who Cares. This is solo. She did it herself when she was in New York City Ballet, and that variation is hard, especially going all the way through. But yeah. But we just did the 5 5 girls again, and I died that time. We went all the way through, and I was so tired, and I was so sweaty. So we have a little break for Garland comes back, and then we're going to have rehearsal with him. We're gonna have rehearsal with him right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go. So yeah, but I'm super tired now, but that was a good variations class. I'm really tired. My body kind of hurts, and I have cramps, but you know, I'll make it through. Hey guys, so rehearsal's over. My feet are dead, like completely dead. I don't know how it's gonna go tomorrow because we're performing and it's a long day, but yeah, we're going to be around Lincoln Center and around like the New York City Ballet and SAB studios all day tomorrow, so that'll be fun. I have to find some tights that I can wear tomorrow, but I have everything else. I need to re-dye my point shoes because they're looking a little splotchy. But yeah, it's the end of the day. I'm gonna get dressed and hop on the train to go. Hey guys, I'm home now, and for dinner I'm having potatoes, broccoli, salmon, and also some spring rolls. And I'm watching Shane Dawson's new video about Jeffree Star. The series is so good. I love when Shane Dawson does his series.